What is up, YouTube? In this video, this is going to be a complete beginner's guide to how to ride a motorcycle. So this video is for people who have never stepped foot on a motorcycle before. By the end of this quick and easy to understand video, you're going to feel confident enough to hop on a motorcycle and ride it the first time without any issues. So getting into it, mostly all motorcycles are all manual. So that means you're going to have to use the clutch and then shift up and down gears manually. Let's just quickly go over the components of a motorcycle. Your left lever here, this is your clutch. Your right lever, this is your front brake. Your rear brake is down on your right foot. It's a lever down here. Your shifter is the lever on the left side on your left foot. And on most bikes, it goes first gear is on the bottom, neutral is above that, and then gears 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. If your bike has 6 gears, it's all up from there. So I'll throw a quick visual on screen of how to shift, but basically it's starting off in neutral. If you want to shift into first gear, you go down one, shift into second gear, you go up, skipping over neutral, and then up, up, up for the rest of the gears. You have your starter and your engine start here. You have your key here. On bikes, it'll be in a different location, sometimes here, sometimes on the side, sometimes on the tank right here. You have your blinkers over here, your lights, controls, everything like that. And then most times you got a kickstand on this side of the bike here. So in order to start the bike, you're going to want to turn it on, make sure it's in neutral. And a lot of bikes will have a neutral indicator light here telling you it's in neutral. Another quick way to know if you're in neutral is if you can roll the bike freely back and forth, you're in neutral. If I switch here to first gear and I try to push the bike and roll it, it's going to stop because I'm in gear. So to get it back up into neutral, clutch in, neutral, and now I know I'm in neutral because I can roll it freely. So turn the key, make sure this button is in the on position, and then start your bike. Put up your kickstand, because most bikes, if your kickstand is down, it won't allow you to shift into first gear. It'll just stall the bike. So to actually get started riding a bike, what you're going to want to do is hold in the clutch. So that's, remember, your left lever up here. Hold in the clutch, and then on the shifter, you push down on the shifter, and that shifts you into first gear. So now I'm in first gear, and then this part is really important to understand so you don't stall the bike or go crazy and launch the bike. You're going to want to let go of the clutch at the same time as giving it a bit of throttle. So it's going to look something like this. Clutch off, bit of throttle. So I'll show you that again. What most people do and how they mess up is they release the clutch too fast. And what that's going to do, it's going to dump the clutch and stall the bike. Watch this. Ready? There. See, it lurches forward because I didn't give the clutch enough time to disengage it. So it just completely stalled out. So I'm going to turn it back on. I'm in neutral. And a good practice to do is you don't even have to use the throttle. You can let off the clutch really, really slowly without doing any throttle. And it's a great way to learn how to use the clutch properly. So watch this. I'm going to release the clutch very slowly, very slowly, very slowly. And then I start going. My hand is not on the throttle, and I'm fully released off the clutch now. And I can start going. And then from here, I can give it gas. And it starts going. Okay, let's try that again. We'll shift into first gear. And then also, what you don't want to do is give it too much gas at the beginning and rev the piss out of it and then dump the clutch, because then you'll launch the bike. But as long as you release the clutch slowly, you're going to be fine. Watch, I'll give it a good amount of throttle, more than you should be when releasing the clutch. But as long as you release the clutch slowly, the bike is not going to launch on you. So practice that a couple times. Go to a parking lot, go to an empty side street, and just practice clutch control. You just slowly release out the clutch while giving it probably like 10% throttle. So again, clutch out, And then you can fully disengage the clutch. And then you're riding. So in order to shift gears now, what you're going to want to do, so you're in first gear, you're revving, you're going, you know you're going to want to get out of the gear when it sounds too high pitched, and usually the motor gets really vibraty, and that's when you know you're going to have to switch into the next gear going up. So like right now, it just sounds pretty high pitched. I do not want to cruise around in first gear like that because it's not good for the engine. So what you're going to want to do to shift gears is let off the throttle, and then right as that point, you're going to hold in the clutch and then shift up on the shifter to switch to the next gear. So watch this, ready? I'm going to let off, hold in the clutch, shift up, and then you can let go of the clutch, back on the throttle. So it's all kind of one fluid motion. It's hard to show you when you're trying to show little steps. It's going to look like this fluidly. So let go, release, up, you shift into the next gear up. So we'll do it again. I'm in second gear. I'm going to let go of the throttle, hold in the clutch, and shift up. And then get back on the throttle after you release the clutch. So let's try it again. From the stop, clutch off slowly, it didn't stall. You see there? Replay it a couple times if you're new to it. So I'm letting off the throttle, clutching in, shifting up, clutching out, and then going back on the throttle. So off the throttle, clutch in, shift up, clutch out, and then I can go back on the throttle. And that is basically it. So if you remember, shifting up gears will get you higher gears, but then when you want to go down into first gear, you have to go past neutral. So I'm in third gear right now. Let's go down a gear. I'm in second gear. And then make sure you really slam it down from second to first, because if you go halfway down from second to first, you might end up back in neutral. And that's not what you want if you're just trying to get back into first gear, because I'm in neutral, I'm revving it, I'm not going anywhere. So make sure you go down to first again. And that is the basics of riding a motorcycle. So just practice it. Just go out in a parking lot, practice not stalling the bike, because this is what most people mess up when they're first riding bikes. First gear, you're going to want to give it 10% throttle, just a bit. You see how my idle is around 2,000 RPM. I'm just going to blip it up to like 3,000. That's all you need, 3,000 or 4,000. And then slowly release off the clutch, slowly. And then you can fully release off the clutch. And then to shift gears again, clutch in, shift, clutch out. And make sure you let off the throttle when you're shifting gears. And then most bikes, remember to turn off your blinker when you turn the corner. It's not like a car where if you put a blinker on in a car, you turn the corner, it automatically shuts the blinker off for you. This blinker is still going after it made the turn, so just remember to shut the blinker off by pushing in the center of it. And then when you're finally ready at the end of the day to park your bike, put it in neutral and simply shut it off, turn off the key, kickstand, and that's it. And then a lot of the bikes also have a steering lock as well. So if you turn it all the way to the left on this bike, that engages the steering lock. So I can't move the steering column. So it's kind of just an anti-theft device. So that is basically it. Enjoy riding a motorcycle. Be safe. Have fun. Don't go too fast. Be very defensive when you're driving. Pay attention to everyone around you, because people tend to not see motorcycles too often. Ride safe.